In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Basemaps to QGIS project. Go to the browser panel and look for XYZ tiles. Open up that one. There's one file, OpenStreetMap. If you double click on that, this layer will be added into the layer panel, and on the map window you can see the map itself. So I'm gonna zoom into to the Dallas area to show you the details of this map. Okay, so let's look at to the UT Dallas. So somewhere here, and zoom into the rock building. So you see a lot of details are available through these maps. So what I'm gonna do next, I will add the Google Imagery into QGIS, something that you need for doing your projects. So we want to connect the satellite images into our projects. So if I click on this icon, it says zoom full. It goes back to my view, and then what I'm gonna do it. If you notice, there is a attached Word file for video 2. Open up that one. So there are some links are available here. What you should do, indeed, go to XYZ tiles and right click on top and make a new connection. Right now, so what I'm gonna do, I go back to my Word file, and then I'm going to use one of these examples right now, and then I will get back to the map sources as well. So I will just copy and paste the name and the address into these boxes, and then a new map will be available here. If I double click on the Google Imagery, okay, you see the data set it's available to see. So here the Google Imagery, it's on top of OpenStreetMap, so you can drag and drop this one below the OpenStreet, so they're gonna be shown here in the same order as layers. So you can uncheck or check any of these layers, and you can see okay, the relevant files in the map window. Let's zoom again to the same region, okay, to the Richardson. So let me first find out somewhere here, because right now I want to know where I'm going, and then I can uncheck the OpenStreetMap and the satellite image. Okay, it's available. So I'm going to zoom into this area, and we are going to see the details of the satellite images. So again, we are looking to the rock building. So let's see what we have in the other link, okay, and the map source. If you get into this link, okay, let me open up that one. Here you're gonna see a list of maps, okay, a lot of them. So what I'm gonna do, I will add 2 maps from this side. So first thing that you should do is you can go to TMS, which is the tile maps, click on that, and then here you can search for some maps that you are looking for. For instance, I'm going after Google Maps. Okay, I search for Google. Here it gives me a list of maps available through Google Maps. I'm gonna add this one. Click on this, and then scroll down to the page, and it's gonna show you what kind of map it's available. So this is one of those that I want to have. I will go up to MS Info, TMS Info, copy this address, and then go back to your QGIS software. So again, here XYZ tiles, right click on it, new connection, paste the address here, and name this one as a Google Maps. Click on that. So now this map is available. Double click on that, so you have the map. Let's zoom in to one particular example. For instance, Dallas area. You zoom in and you see, okay, all the details are available. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to add the US topo maps as well. I think that would be useful for you. Let's go back to the website, and this time search for USA topo maps. Okay, so here the data is available. Right click on it, go to the bottom. This is how the data should look like. I'm gonna copy this address and go back to QGIS, right click on XYZ, make a new connection and place it here and name it as a US topo. Click OK. So I'm gonna double click on the US topo. This is the one that we have. Let's zoom to specific area like this, and let's see what kind of data is available. If I zoom in to the particular example, anywhere across the country, so all these topographic data are available.